How to set YouTube reminders on PC. Setting YouTube reminders helps you stay updated on upcoming live streams or video premieres. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set reminders for YouTube content using your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Find the video or live stream you want to set a reminder for. This can be done by either searching for the content or visiting the channel that is hosting it. For live streams or premieres, look for the video or stream that has a scheduled start time. On the Videos page, you'll see a Set Reminder button if the video is a live stream or a premiere. Click on this button to enable notifications for that event. If you don't see a Set Reminder button, it might be because the content is not yet scheduled or the reminder feature is not available for that particular video. Once you click Set Reminder, YouTube will automatically send you a notification when the live stream or premiere is about to start. You will receive a notification both on YouTube and through email, depending on your notification settings. To manage your notifications and ensure you receive reminders, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Notifications section. Here, you can customize your notification preferences and make sure you're set to receive alerts for live streams and premieres. By following these steps, you can easily set YouTube reminders on your PC and stay informed about upcoming content that interests you.